Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture on Facebook. So in order to do this, it's quite easy. All you need to do is open Facebook like this. Once you're at home just like this, head over to the bottom right corner of your screen at menu. Then you need to make sure to select the page or account you want to change your profile picture for, so for example my account. Once I've done that, click on Edit Profile. Once I'm right here, what I can do is click on Edit at the top right corner of my screen, and then click on Select Profile Picture, Sync with Instagram, or Create Avatar Profile Picture. Selecting a profile picture will basically just allow you to select a profile picture from your gallery, so that's what I'm going to do right now. And then what you can simply do is click on Camera Roll, and you will be able to select the profile picture photo from your camera gallery. Once you've done that, you can click on Save, and basically once you've done that, you just change your profile picture over on Facebook. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.